your boundary is this tilted, a bit tilted, so how to draw the normal for that? You will place your protector in this way anywhere on your line, but it's better to place that in exactly in the center of the line, see, and mark your 90 degree, right? See, mark the 90 degree and join that point to that. In this way you will get the 90 degree of this tilted line, right? Now I will show you how to draw the incident ray and refracted ray and how will you measure that, okay, on this line. Now see, on this line, tilted line, if the incoming angle is like this, this is the incident ray, this is the normal, so the angle between the two will be the angle of incidence, right? How will you measure the angle of incidence? Again, these are the two lines are straight, right? And you will measure this angle. So if you want to place the normal at 90, right, the way because the angle is here, so I will place my protector like this, right? If the normal is at 90 and the bound, it means that the boundary will be, this line will be at 0, right? So 90 minus this, see, you are using this 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. So 90 minus 40 will be your angle of incidence, right? Or if you want to place the normal at 0, angle is here at the bottom, so you will place it like this. So if you want to keep the normal at 0 and the boundary at 90, right? So normal, see, you are using this 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, exactly you will get the same 50 degree over here, right? So write the angle over here, okay? Acha. If you want to measure your angle of refraction, right? 0, again I am revising this at in boundary at 0 and normal at 90, ऐसे भी कर सकते हो, या ठीक है, that at 0 and this boundary at 90, right? Acha, same you will do it over here as well. See, now the angle is here, this is the angle of refraction. As the ray will move inside, so it will bend towards the normal, right? So see, this is the normal at 0, right, and the boundary at 90, right? So 0 from 0 to this 0, 10, 20, 32 degree is my angle of refraction, right? And if you want to do that in the other way, so you can do it over there as well, right? See, if you complete this, so it will become now a prism. So it is really easy to measure the angles. How to measure the angle of incidence, okay, in this way, yeah, in that way, like keep normal at 0 or at 90, it's up to you. So the normal will be then at 90 or 0 and then measure the other angle, okay? Now in this way you will measure the angles inside, right? Keep the boundary at 90 if you want to keep the boundary at 90. So this line will be at 0, so measure this angle, right, in this way, okay? Simple, it's too simple, okay? And measure the angle, right? Now the ray striking at this point, if you want to measure the angles here, see, so again at that point you will draw the normal. How will you draw the normal? Now you got this point, exactly the center, you will place the center of the protector here, right, exactly on this line, okay, and mark the 90 degree, okay? So see, you got your 90 degree. Now how will you measure this angle? Again, this at 90, this at 0, so you can get this angle. See, it's too simple, this at 0 and this at 90, so measure this angle and check the value, because this is your 0, so 0 to that will be your angle of incidence, right? So in this way you can measure angles using prism. Okay, now this is the ray emerging to the rare medium. So again you have one this straight line, one this straight line, they are perpendicular, so measure the angle is here, okay? So one this straight line at 90, the other straight line here, okay, at 0, so 90 minus this reading will give you this value, right? Acha. And if you want to place it at 0, so this will be at 90 and the angle is at the bottom, so you will rotate your protector like this, okay? So 0, this at 90, so 0 direct measure the angle, you will get this angle. So in this way you will measure the angles of incidence and angle of refraction, okay? I guess it will be cleared now, okay?